If we should give her one last standing ovation for Asia's Queen of Song, Pilita Morales. Bring on your left hand. Everyone, come on.
Sa unang gabi ng week ni Pilita Corrales, nakiramay si Lotlot de Leon kasama ang kanyang asawa na si Fadi. Kasama rin ni Lotlot ang anak na si Janine Gutierrez. Very close nga ang mga anak ni Lotlot at Monching sa kanilang lola Pilita. Kumpleto ang magpipinsan na apo ni Miss Pilita kina Jackie Lou at Monching. At ang tawag nga sa kanila ay Mamita Pilita Crew.
There's no one like Tita Pilita, and we love her dearly, and we will miss her. Yes? Now, the one thing that I'm sure you've done before, but I think we should all do in agreement, is we should give her one last standing ovation for Asia's Queen of Song, Pilita Morales. Everyone sabay-sabay. Ready? Turn to the left.
Nagbigay naman ng handog na speech at kanta si Martin Rivera at bago ang pagkanta, binigyan ng isang one last standing ovation. Palakpakan ang lahat para kay Miss Pilita. Ginawa din ang palaging tinuturo ni Pilita na mag-stretching at bend bago kumanta. Ito nga ang signature pose ni Miss Pilita. Ang week nga ay ginanap sa Heritage Park, Taguig.
Just say, I was always her favorite. He'll probably say something else tomorrow because he used to be the once-a-month guest on the Pilita and Jackie show. And then I came to town and he became the once every 2 months. And I was the other month. And then the show was canceled. We learned nothing from that, right? Both Gary and I were unemployed. But we learned such great lessons of humility, of how to give back, how to love your craft, how to sing like there's no tomorrow, how to treat every show with the same passion. There's no such thing as a small show. Every show is a big show for Tita Pilita. That's one thing she's taught us. And I think as a family will agree, it goes with everything, every decision we make in life, not to take anything lightly and not to take things too seriously. And that's the talent and the blessing that Tita
Ganda nga ng pagkakanta ni Martin Rivera. Sabi nga niya sa kanyang speech, siya raw ang favorite talaga ni Miss Pilita. Dahil singer nga si Pilita Corrales, madalas din silang nagkakasama sa mga kantahan at event. Kinanta nga ni Martin ang Ikaw Lang ang Mamahalin sa unang gabi ni Miss Pilita. Ibinahagi nga ni Janine Gutierrez ang pagkawala ng kanyang lola. Sabi niya, "It is with a heavy heart that we announce the passing of our beloved Mommy and Mamita Pilita Corrales. Pilita touched the lives of many, not only with her songs, but also with her kindness and generosity. She will be remembered for her contributions to the entertainment industry, but most of all for her love of life and family. Please join us with your prayers and kind thoughts as we celebrate her beautiful life." Si Jackie Lu Blanco sa araw ng namaalam ang ina, itinuloy pa rin ang isang teatro na kasama si JC Santos at ito raw ay to honor her mother. Kaya naging emosyonal nga siya sa gabing ito. Nagpalakpakan niya ang lahat para sa kanya. Marami nga ang nakiramay sa pamilya nila. Sa unang gabi nga ni Miss Pilita, marami ang nakiramay na mga kaibigan at nakasama sa showbiz industry.